Everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So let's continue from where we left. Now, virtual machine. Now, before we get much further, it's okay to know about the environment. Java needs to do its magic. It's okay if you don't understand everything we touch in this. Any unfamiliar term you might see, we'll get its due in later chapters. We just want to provide you with an overview of Java's ecosystem at the core of what ecosystem is JVM. Java is a both compile and interpreted language. Java source code is cut into simple binary instructions, much like ordinary processors machine code. However, whereas C or C++ is reduced to native instructions for a particular model or processor. Now, what he says is Java source code is converted into simple, like okay, Java source is compiled into universal format. Instructions from them machine is known as bytecode. Java bytecode is executed by a JR, a Java Runtime Interpreter (JRI). The runtime system performs normal activities of hardware processor, but does in the virtual environment executes a stack-based instruction set, manages memory like an operating system, creates and manipulates primitive data types, loads and invokes reference blocks of codes. Most importantly, it does all this with a strictly defined open specification that can be implemented by anyone who wants to produce Java compliant virtual machine. Although the virtual machine and the language definition provide us complete specification, there are no features for the base Java language left undefined or implementation dependent. For example, Java specifies the size of the mathematical properties of its primitive data types rather than leaving it to the platform interpretation. A Java interpreter is a right to it can be implemented in whatever the source form is desirable for a particular machine. The interpreter may be run as a separate application or it can embed in another piece of hardware such as web browser put together. This means Java provides a JRE which you don't have to produce alternate versions of application. You have to distribute the code to end users. So I have source code, then I have JR runtime, this comes the bytecode, and then I can give this to processors. The fundamental unit of Java code is a class. An object, as an object-oriented language, classes are small modular applications. Compiled Java classes are contributed in universal binary format in addition to platform-specific runtime. So now what he's saying is everything is Java is going to be a class. Classes are the fundamental unit. Classes can be maintained discretely or stored in files, archives, locally, networks, or anywhere. Classes are loaded dynamically at any time when they are needed by an application. In addition to platform-specific runtime environment, Java has a number of fundamental classes that contain architecture-dependent methods and native methods. Serve as gateway between Java, JVM, and the real world. They are implemented relatively. Yeah. Historically, interpreters have been Java is not a traditional interpreted language. It is compiling to produce bytecode. Okay, that's JIT. Okay, some there's now that interpreter has to be good, right? So then we have something called as JIT compilation or dynamic that can JavaScript can execute as fast as native code and maintain its transportability and security. JIT features is often misunderstood among these points. Okay, everything can be going beyond this. Java compared to other languages. So this is C, C++, Java, Smalltalk. Smalltalk is a language. Java provides all three pillars: security, portability, and speed. Because we have GIT that does the compilation also easily. So okay, let's see. So JavaScript and Java design, safety of design. Now Java is designed to be safe language, but it's safe. Method binding. Okay, this is more. Then it has dynamic memory management, DMM, error handling. Okay, we have threads as well. Scalability. Okay, the verifier. What are these class loaders? There is something we'll see when we So now we are in Java 21. The present is the Java 21 as per this book. So you have so many things, right? Java desktop, and it's basically used for enterprise application. Feature is, so what is the company? The company that currently maintains Java is Microsoft. Oh, now let's start installing the JDK. So currently it's maintained by Microsoft. Sun was acquired by Microsoft, and then when did Oracle come in? Sun was acquired by Oracle, nice. And it's currently been, what happened? I can't generate responses. Is it something? Some Microsoft and Oracle. These are two different companies. They have different areas of focus. Again, initially founded by Bill Gates. OS, cloud computing, productivity, Xbox consoles, software development. Then Oracle is again cloud computing. Both are significantly same. So you have MySQL, and then you have Oracle database. So basically it's competitive pricing. Yeah, so Microsoft, right? It's all the big hits. That's a lot of charity, but then okay, Sun and Microsoft. What was the Java got? So there was a war between Microsoft and Java. There was a legal suit between Microsoft and, I see, Microsoft and some legal suit. Oh, let's refresh it. Microsoft and some legal legal battles are a significant part of how it was Sun developed. Then Microsoft initially licensed to create its own version of the JVM that couldn't. However, Microsoft went just by creating an incompatible version of Java known as Microsoft JVM. This version had proprietary extensions. Sun's allegations accused Microsoft of initially fragmenting, or then also they licensed it to Microsoft, and Microsoft developed its own this. Then there was a lawsuit between certain only by Microsoft agreed to pay 20 million. Microsoft also required to other Java specifications conform to Sun's standards. Then Microsoft Sun legal, and then so I did Sun send it. Sun acquired by Oracle. Oracle is basically a tech company. However, Sun Microsystems is basically a more research based company, I feel. Is it? But how did Sun earn money? Because also initially they made this Java and they were licensing, and then they were sending it, and then there were investors who came. Is it like that? So initially Sun is not a tech company. It's Sun Sun is a research company. Is it? Like they do research. Now it is. But then why it was? Yeah, it was. So initially it was This is some research based. Yeah, Sun is a research driven company, and then so using its products and creating license for them is how some earns money, I guess. This is what, yeah, it kind of licenses its technology, although it was not, you can't say it as a kind of sells things. Can't call it a company. I would say it is a research based company. So it's a tech or a research. Fundamentally, and a research driven organization. Yeah, research and innovation was its main thing. You do research. Now, what I mean by tech is different. At that time, tech was different. So that's okay. Now we need this. So, what we need to install? We need this JDK, right? So let's have this thing. Okay. So now what do we need? We need J. So we need this. It will comprise. So I guess now this has been made public. It's open. There is no. There is no money. Installing JDK. IntelliJ is something else. Okay, it's an ID that. Okay, let's. Never tool that is powerful to combine with nothing more than Oracle's open source JDK in a simple text editor. The device is written with IDEs. Okay, Java source code. Therefore, we are going to skip an academic command line treatment and start with a population free ID IntelliJ. If you are adverse to use an ID, if you will to use the command javac java to run. Okay, IntelliJ idea requires Java to be installed. The book covers 21 languages. So, although the example jams will work on all of it's best to have JDK 21 installed. Now, the installing JDK version 28, as in, we'll go ahead installing Corretto. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't want running. Oh, this is the first project, I guess. But let's first get our IDE and then okay, let's so all of everything is mentioned here. And login. Okay, so Java compiler. This is on. When we have an IDE, we don't need to do this. It will do everything on its own. This is Java language. This is Java doc. Variables and constants. Types. Okay, oh yeah, this is later on. So first we need. Okay, so now what are we saying is, I mean, this is, we'll see what interfaces are, what is repaint, paint, events, our first code, the paint component, JavaX, we'll dependency inheritance and other everything. First, let's install IntelliJ and IDE, and we need the JDK, right? That has JDK. Let's go to Oracle. Now we need it for back. You can be okay, accept all. We'll download the long-term support LTS. JDK. So JDK 21. We are on 20. No, ours is ours is not an ARM. It should be. I don't know exactly which processor it is. Let's see on my Mac. What does it say something? Let's go. Oh, what happened to my mouse? Does it say like ARM? I don't think so. It's ARM. Let me have to save it. Where did my mouse go now? This is my mouse. I guess it's battery is gone. Let's try this. So do we have power in here? Let's oh, we have our mouse back. Is it anything to do with? I guess the driver not working properly, but then let's switch it back. Okay, there we go. We have our mouse up and running. Now let's. Now we need the development kit. So, oh, we have to go on Mac. DMG. This is. Let's do the DMG. Let's install any one of them. So, I don't want anyone uses this. Okay, let's double click. This will guide you to the installation process. Continue. Install for all. Install. Oh. Permission. Install. Yes, this won't work. This should work now. Okay. And password, is it? Oh, it should be just configuring, writing, install successful. Does happen soon and this is Apple. Okay, let's close. So we have the JDK installed, so let's check terminal and then Java hyphen. Did we get anything? Oh, see, I have the JRE built Java hotspot, Java 23.0.1, which I just installed. 24, 10, 15, and let's get the IDE running. So you can do it in terminal, but IntelliJ. So let's open IntelliJ. Accept all, download. Now we are in Apple. Yeah, zip, let's download. This is the ID. Remember, we have already got the ID is basically where you can do some additional features and integrated development environment. Although for this you need it kind of links between your what is this? Wait, this is something new. Oh, it's let's go. Let's download it. Let's secure. Let's open this. Let's try. It's an application, right? Wait, let's go. Copying. Let it complete. Okay, so now you go here. Do we have oh, we have IntelliJ. Let's open verify IntelliJ idea. This I wanted to open important parties. I confirm. Don't send. Is it? Do I have? Is it paid? Is IntelliJ paid? Should be pricing. What's for individual use? No, it's students, teachers. I have to renew your free license. Do it, Google. Continue. Before no, let's apply. How to apply? Apply now. Confirm URI. Begin. Let's confirm. Choose all heights. Oh, one left. Let's confirm curtains 1, 2, 3. Continue. Success. I'm a student. Postgraduate is computer science. Yes. Okay, my college is Conestoga. Okay, so let's have this. Does it? I have accepted Windows 13. No, I'm free. This is the system belong to any university. No. What's my common struggle? It's JD 716. That's it. Common struggle. See the notes here. Please follow. Oh, it's going to link. Let's forget this. I need it activated. No need to worry. For the time being, or else we'll use Eclipse. Don't allow accept all. Send me product tips. Is not run. Import settings. Yeah. Settings. We'll use create a new project. Let's runtime it. Yeah, it's already set to Java, so create. This is function environment system. Oh, this is like run. Okay, now let's run the current file. So hello comma world, it's already there. Also, this is paid, else we'll use it in VS Code because we need the, maybe we'll have to do it Visual Studio. And then there are certain features that we miss out when we do nothing. So missing. Let's search on our extension. So now we have, oh, where is our extension? Extension settings. There should be, oh yeah, this is, let's search for Java JavaScript. Start. This is some Java JavaScript. There are no issues. Let's go to a file. Then it has. Let's do test. We need the main, right? And then do you want to install? Yeah, install. Accept. So this is not going to Microsoft. We got test. Then this is, we need to what do we need? This is going to be our public. The boilerplate doesn't come, unfortunately. The class with, and then we need to have the test public static environment. Is it okay? Was it this time? The main must be defined, then it's a problem. What's the quick fix? So it has to be not main, has to be test, and then this has to be public static main. This is in arrays. Is this string arrays? This is to be string array, and then args in parentheses sysart. So hello so now this is, that's what we're doing, and then so we have, right, so we need to do Java C compile test dot Java. So a class is created, now we need to run. So Java level. This is the white class, but this won't be so closely combined from our dot class. This is how it's going to run, blah blah blah, something. What is this function coming in from? But if I delete this, then I need to compile it again. Auto try. So now say So now if I finally let, oh, it's already created. This is open. Let's close. So if we close this, not the devices, but then there is, why is it still running? I have to create a, so when we do JavaC, create this file. Are you sure you can install this from trash? No, I don't. Is there any extension that prints let's do boilerplate clone. Do we have a boilerplate generator? I have this. This boiler. So this is boilerplate. Open up having the desired extension, execute the boiler command. And use to execute our command again use. Let's see what's this. Control Shift and P or Command Shift and let's clear this out. So Control Shift P. Nothing. Or do Windows Shift P. Or is it another command? Oh, we have got this package. Delete package is on this delete package. Let's get this thing out. Or at least we have this test. This. Even though we have this, you see, it's not exact, but yeah, nonetheless, it's still good. So we have both our Intel. What happened? Something. Let's. What happened to our? Is OBS not running? Let's close this. Then let's minimize this. Let's minimize. OBS is running. Let's close down and let's close. What happened to our down? Oh, it goes off. Let's. What happened to notes? Why did notes open? It's closed. I have books. Get books. Where were we? We are here. Oh, this is. We were kind of reading this book. Scroll down. Then we have our VS Code. So why don't we have this here? This is. Let's get rid of this. Close. Let's close. We don't want our codes. Let's close. Let's thinking out. What? Something changed. Let's have Visual Code running side by side. Where is our tone thing? And then no. We will not understand what it says. Let's close this. Let's make one size. Okay, so yeah, we have downloaded both. Oh, I'm getting some errors. What is this? This is return. Delete. So that's all from this lecture. Let's see you in the next one. Till that time, take care, guys. And see you again. Oh, now how to get OBS running? That is going to be. Let's see. Device, yes. Why is OBS? What happened to OBS? Something. Let's minimize. Let's. This is not about OBS. Let's. Oh. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.